Yeah, yeah.
There's no way Nathan's going to get his body through.
No, he's tried.
Okay. So that's going to take more than 10 steps, isn't it?
Probably. We've got grinders and stuff. I just don't know how confident you are with the grinder. Otherwise...
I'll hold his head, you grind it.
Alright.
Okay. Can we flip this over a bit?
Yeah, I can do whatever you want with it. I just thought that might be... Do you want it fully flipped?
Yeah. I suppose that's better like that. Okay, that way you can get a grind on the side.
Yeah.
I can hold his head. Have you got a battery powered grinder, have you?
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, we've got whatever we need.
Yep, no worries.
Baby.
No, it's breeding, mate. This is what they do when they're they induct themselves. This is like colours. I've got his head.
Alrighty.
Oh, I don't want him to twist. Okay, you think that's that many?
No. What's that?
This shit, man.
Alright, so I stop just before the end?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, that's through.
Okay, yeah.
Do you want me to go in from the top, try and take it off as a square, and then you should be able to...
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's going to get to the bottom. Yeah.
Is this the best way? Unless I try and come in like that.
Yeah. Okay. Just cool down for a minute.
I'll get some pliers and I should be able to snap that off by bending it because it's not, can't get all the way through and I don't want to get too close to the bottom.
You really don't like this, do you, my friend? I love the grinder. There's it.
It's not a very big hole. It's probably about that big, so I can go another chunk off.
Let me see if it has. No, I think it's not going to loosen up enough.
So I'll take another bit off the bottom here if you want. Yeah. Should have cooled down. So.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. No damage done.
Photo?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to drop him in the thingy just here.
That's fine.
Yeah. No damage.
Sure.
One rescue.
You sure?
This, eh?
You sure?
Yeah, no, that'll heal. That's nothing.
It's just pretty tight.
Yeah, it's the scale damage.
Because when he was trying to pull himself back out, he was pulling those scales back the wrong way, obviously.
No, he's going to be fine. Say hello.
Awesome.
Okay. Want to watch him run away? Yep. I think he's learned his lesson now.
He'll be coming back up here.
Shit. He just needs to relax. That's the way.